You bought a used iPhone, turn it on, and suddenly you see the activation lock screen. You try to contact the seller, but they never reply. You contact Apple support, send a receipt, wait for days, and then your request gets denied. The truth is, most people don't really understand how activation lock works. Stay in this video because today I'm going to explain it in a simple way. And I will show you why many free iCloud bypass videos on YouTube are fake or very misleading. First, let's understand something important. Activation lock is connected to the Apple service, not just the phone itself. When someone signs into an iPhone with their Apple ID, Apple connects that account to the phone's iMEI number inside their system, and that connection stays there. So even you reset the phone many times, once the device connects to the internet again, Apple checks the iMEI and the lock comes back. That's why removing activation lock is difficult. A lot of people think, well, I have the receipt, so Apple should unlock it. But Apple mainly checks which Apple ID is connected to the device. The receipt only shows that someone bought the phone. It doesn't prove ownership of the Apple account linked to the device. And if Apple cannot contact the original account owner, they usually reject the request. Now let's talk about an even harder situation, when the device is in lost mode. When lost mode is activated on an iPhone, Apple marks the device as lost inside their system. The phone becomes remotely locked, and usually a message from the owner appears on the screen. And here's the important part. If the device is marked as lost, Apple normally will not remove the activation lock. No matter what papers you send or how many times you call support, the system itself blocks the unlock request. Let's talk about those free bypass videos on YouTube. If you search free iCloud activation lock bypass, you will find hundreds and hundreds of videos saying things like 100% working, permanent unlock, unlock in 5 minutes, but many of these methods don't really work. One of them is DNS bypass. This is the most common free method. The idea is to connect the iPhone through a different DNS server to try to skip the activation lock screen. At first, it may look like it works, but the phone becomes very limited. Usually, you can't now make calls, you can't sign into iCloud, you can't update the iPhone normally, and on newer iPhone models, Apple has already blocked most of these methods. Another problem is fake software downloads, usually requiring payments or personal information upfront. The majority of these are either phishing software or street of fraud, where you pay and nothing happens. Other method involves your iMEI number. The creator tells you to post your iMEI number in the comments and they unlock it for free. Don't do this because your iMEI is the unique fingerprint of your device. Giving it to strangers online is a serious security risk. Before we get to the actual solution, check your device's status. Go to checkcoverage.apple.com and enter the device iMEI number. If the phone is on the blacklist, no software tool on earth can fix that. That is a legal issue and not a technical one. Now for the actual solution, we have Any Unlocks Activation Lock Removal module with 3 simple steps. Just go to the official iMobie website and download the software. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Once you have the tool installed, you will select the option Bypass iCloud Activation Lock. Then, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure it's a transfer data cable and not just a shared one. Any unlock will detect your iPhone model and let you know that you need to jailbreak the device to bypass the activation lock. Click the Start Jailbreak button. The program will guide you step by step through the jailbreak process. Then, click Ready and follow the instructions on the screen. The entire process only takes a few minutes. Once it's finished, you'll see that the iCloud activation lock has been successfully bypassed. After the restart, the device will boot up without the activation lock, and you'll be able to sign in with your own Apple ID and start using the iPhone normally again. Isn't that incredible? It's important for you to know that Any Unlock is designed for legitimate use cases, people who forgot the previous Apple ID on their own device or purchase a second-hand iPhone where the seller's account is no longer reachable. If you are dealing with an activation lock right now, you can check the link in the description to learn more about any unlock. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.